how to fix unable to increase or decrease text size in text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, we go to the top here and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and tap on messages settings. Now once you are in here, we go down and make sure you turn on pinch to zoom conversation text. Then we go back to the text conversation. Now this time, pinch at the top here to zoom in or zoom out. So you can pinch out to zoom in on the text or pinch in to zoom out on the text. If you try to pinch it down here, it won't work. You need to pinch within the list conversation chat at the top here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.